Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Safdar Shah. Today I am going to start my video series on Pakistan. I want to give maximum information about Pakistan. My purpose is to promote my country and to eliminate misperception produced in outside the country in the foreign countries. So, before starting it, I want to request you if you want to know further about my Pakistan, I want to get my videos. Please subscribe to this my channel, and also click on bell icons to get priority notifications. So let's start. Pakistan. Pakistan is in the contents of Asia, and it came into being on 14 August 1947. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was its founder. And the national poet is Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal Hussain. Its dream. He was a well-known poet and well recognized all over the world. And his Urdu and Farsi poetry is well known. Pakistan has 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan. It has 5 rivers: the Indus, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum and Chenab. Its total population, according to 2017 census, is 207.8 million. It's world largest. It is the world's 6th largest country in the world. Its total area is 8,81,913. 8,81,913 square kilometer. Its national language is Urdu. Its other local languages are Punjabi, Seraiki, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, Barhavi, Balti. And it is a great, rich country in terms of history. It has historical places. It has full of greenery, mountains, hilly areas, and everything. It has great culture. Tourists can come here and watch my great country. It is total 96% population are Muslims and 4% are other minorities. Here is peace. People live in great, hospitality is great here in Pakistan. If you can come here and visit, you will see and witness that. I hope you will come. So, that's it for today, my initial video. I will continue this series, and if you subscribe it, you will get it immediately. Till then, for the next video, goodbye from me. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.